So first, to find the gift card code, in case you're not aware of the code, an Amazon gift card claim code is a 14 or 15 characters long and will usually contain both letters and numbers, just like this one. And then if you have a physical card like this one, the claim code can be found under a peel off scratch of the label on the back of the card, and you may need to remove the card from external packaging in order to see this label. And then for an electronic gift card, if you receive an email notification from Amazon of an Amazon gift card, the card will automatically redeems to your gift card balance through the link in the email. So you can just click the link on the email and you are good to go. And there is no claim code. And then to actually redeem it, you can just go to your top right of the screen. Right here, I'm using Amazon desktop version on my computer. You can just click on account and list right here at the top right of your screen. And then right here on your account, you can just click on gift cards between Prime and digital service and device support. Just click on this one. And then after that, you can just click on redeem a gift card. And then you can just enter the claim code like this one right here. After you enter the claim code, just click on apply to your balance. And then you are good to go. And then if you receive electronic Amazon gift card, after you click on the email, the link of the Amazon gift card, you can just click on reload your balance and then see the gift card balance will add right here. And that's how to redeem Amazon gift card code. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.